Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your mouse settings to default on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel, so go ahead and open that up. Set your view by up in the top right to large icons, and then you want to select mouse on the left side. And now you want to go underneath pointers, go ahead and left click on that and select use default. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and select apply and OK. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.